Hello and welcome to another video of Scent Explorer. I am Muhammad Ahsan and today we are going to be reviewing another from Boadicea. So this is the actual pronunciation of this company, Boadicea The Victorious. Boadicea. Okay, so this is the correct pronunciation. Some brother actually corrected me, thanks for that. And Boadicea The Victorious, and this one is actually Elite Perfume. So I'm going to show you the sample now. So here we have the sample bottle and here we have the sample and the vial. So let's spray it and find out how it actually feels like. So I'm going to grab the strip where I have already written the name Elite. So I always mention, so actually why I write these, even after the video, when I sniff it for the dry down, I try to write the notes for the video. So this is why I write names over here. So let's spray twice. This is really nice. The initial spray was a bit citric, green, a bit rose, floral is there. Starting was very good. Let's see how it actually evolves. It is like green leaves, a flower with some citrus, little bit of citrus inside. You can say few green leaves of rose flower. Now it is getting more floral, a bit fruity. Rose is there, it is sweet. There are maybe some white florals, frizzy or some other, which is irritating me. You already know that I am allergic to white florals. I really get headaches from them. So rose is a bit getting at the background, and white florals, frizzy or maybe any other flower, they are getting in the front. But still I think it is a bit more balanced perfume between rose and other florals. Rose is still there. So fruity, light fruity with some white florals, with some wet sweet rose, with some green leaves around it. A little bit of woody in the background just to balance it. I think they have used some woody notes. Really nicely done. If they have used white florals a bit more, I might have already get a headache. It's a very, you can say, delicate kind of perfume for women. I would really recommend it for women. I think it would look really nice on a woman's skin. So this is Elite from Boadicea The Victorious. Now it is really getting beautiful because there is some ambergris has some thickness to it. So it is actually balancing the white florals, the woody notes. Wood is almost in the background. It really smells luxury. It is a very nice perfume for women who really don't want to give other people headaches, or maybe really want them to, have some overpowering smell. This is a very delicate, mature woman smell. So I would really recommend it for women above 25. Really nicely done perfume from Boadicea The Victorious. I really enjoyed this one. I recommend it for women. I hope you have enjoyed my review. If you have sniffed this one or anything similar to this one, really comment in the section below. I will write in the description where you can buy it from Boadicea. The Victorious website. I will meet you soon in another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.